It is 6 in the morning right now, and we are in Marathon, I believe it's called, outside of Thunder Bay, east of Thunder Bay. So this is where we slept last night, right there. It was a good sleep. It was a little bit noisy, but it was a good sleep. Today, we're driving 12 hours. Well, 10 to 12 hours. So basically the idea for this video is I'm gonna take something that's boring and mundane and try to make it camera worthy and exciting. Woo!
Pew, pew.
I do have to say one thing that's super nice about my girlfriend. She can't hear me. Shh. Is that she's a morning person. I'm a morning person, she's a morning person. So we wake up excited 97% of the time. You ready for a day of driving?
Oh, so ready.
Woo! Gotta put some miles on.
Do I look like I want to go run track?
Yes, you do. You want to go run around the parking lot? It's super warm out there. It's a nice parking lot.
Oh, I bet.
After we're finished traveling across Canada, I'm going to add up how much gas we've spent. It's a lot. It's gonna surprise me, and it's also gonna surprise you, I'm guessing. The truck gets probably 8 miles a gallon with the camper on. 8, 9 on a good day, not a windy day. The gas has kind of fluctuated throughout our trip. As of right now, it's $1.38 a liter, so pretty high. What was the lowest gas price on our trip? $1.20? Lower than that, $1.13, $1.12, $1.06, that's right. In Saskatchewan, right? I love you, Saskatchewan, for your low gas prices. $1.06 was the lowest we've seen. So this morning's coffee time may be quick. We may just have to do a stop and go.
Let's say it's a boat that we're all in together, that barely stays afloat while we all discuss the weather. How long?
Right now we're at this beautiful viewpoint just looking at Lake Superior, and it honestly looks like the ocean. It's just absolutely phenomenal, so I'll let you guys see for yourselves.
Till the break of dawn, how long till it days, how long till it days. Let's say it's a bed we all know is on fire. Pharaohs spin our heads, but no
Moose! Ho! Ho! We're gonna turn around. We're gonna turn around. Ho! Ho! Woo! Okay, well this video just got exciting no matter what I do after this. Look at that. Wow. How was that? How perfect was that? We missed the bear sightings because we didn't have the camera on. We had the camera on at the exact time. Now there has been, oh this is awesome. She's wanted to see one up close this whole trip. There's been, if you know this area, you'll know that there's every few kilometers there's a sign saying watch out for moose, because this is a well-known moose area. And so we've been watching. Every time we see the sign, we look, and where's moose? We keep looking in the marsh areas, the pond areas. We haven't seen one, and then we finally just turned the camera on just to do a little shot there, and we saw one. I don't even remember what I was saying before we saw that. We were talking about lakes, right? How beautiful the lakes are here in Ontario. There's so many, and I'm having anxiety. Oh yeah, I'm having anxiety because I don't have my boat with me. But when we get back, lots of boat / lake / fitty / I just spit all over the place / fishing videos are coming. We are on hyper alert for moose right now. I think everything is a moose now. What about you? Same. We're going to a town right now called Wawa. We're gonna make a quick little pit stop. I always have such anxiety with important shots like that moose shot. I always like to back up that footage, because what if I lost this camera fell in water, the SD card got wet, and all of a sudden zero footage, deleted. So I always like to back up the important stuff. Also, just real quick, do you like this little fleece thing? We're back. We did a little research. We're driving by Lake Superior right now, and both of us were like, wow, this is a massive, massive lake. It is the largest lake in the whole world. The largest freshwater lake in the entire world. It looks like the ocean. It looks exactly like the ocean, but it's really, really neat. We've been driving alongside it like for 2 days now, and it keeps poking its head out. One question that me and Rebecca were just talking about, we're playing a little game. If you could have any animal in the world as a pet, and as a pet meaning that it came to you and that it was trained and that it liked you and wouldn't kill you, what animal would that be? And off the start I was like, oh, this is going to be an easy question. I started thinking about it. There's a lot of really neat animals. You know, you've got kangaroos, lions, panthers. What would yours be? Comment in the section below. We'd love to hear from you. I was thinking somewhere like a sea otter, just because I think they're very cute when they have like the little baby and they're little, like they're on their back and they have a little baby. But then Rebecca was like, oh no, mine would be a red panda. Yeah, same. Or a full-size panda. Adorable. Comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. We're at a gas station, and just to give you guys an example, when I filled up this morning, you remember that, it was $1.38, somewhere around there. I'll look back and see what it actually was, but $1.38. Here, $1.23. Guess whose turn it is?
Me.
She's actually hit some very expensive spots across Canada, but
Thank you.
seems like this leg of the trip I have.
What was the worst one that I just did?
$1.40 something.
Thunder Bay, right?
Yeah.
Thunder Bay.
Carriages on the side of the road here. I don't get it. I'm so confused. I hope that you guys can see this.
Oh, went really fast.
Like, is there a Hutterite colony here, or what? We just did some research on the group here. They're Mennonites, and they're moving into this area that we're in right now, and it's kind of like you went back in time. So they transport themselves via horse and buggy, and they also plow their fields with horse as well. Kind of interesting. Definitely a different way of life. We got here, we arrived, we're just in front of a liquor store. We're gonna grab some wine, LCBO, and we're gonna sleep at Walmart. Get that heat going, get that heat going.
I got it.
So Rebecca got some wine, and I got just a single beer. We're kidding. I got a 6-pack of Corona and this. This is there's a guy on a mountain. Can you see that?
Yeah.
If I drink this, I will become a mountaineer. That's my thoughts going into it. Hey, they marketed to me.
Interesting train of
Their
thought.
marketing worked. I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. Hope that you enjoyed just a day in the life of not so much travel, but like just driving. We drove a lot today, 12 hours. Started at 7. It's 8:23 right now. We did have some pit stops in between, but a lot of driving. And then tomorrow we're driving only about 5 hours, and then we're gonna start to hit some spots we want to see. Until next time, my friends, keep living that dream wherever you are in this wonderful world, and I will see you in the next video, which will be out very, very soon. Enjoy your night, and bye-bye. I'll say bye-bye. I'll say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, one sec. Ready? Listen. You know how good that sounds after 12 hours of driving? No, I'm just kidding. That's good. See you guys.